In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add money in House Flipper 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can modify the value or the amount of money that you have in your wallet in House Flipper 2. To do this, you will need to download Cheat Engine. So if you don't have it already, look for Cheat Engine on Google and download the latest version available. I'm not going to go too much into detail about how to download it, but it's simple. You just visit the website, click on the green button here, download, and then once you have the tool downloaded, open the executable file. Inside of the exe for Cheat Engine, make sure that House Flipper 2 is currently running on the background, and then click on this icon here. So you have to open a process. Click on this icon and then select House Flipper 2. As long as it is running on your computer, you will be able to select it. Once you have the process for House Flipper 2 selected, first, type the amount that you have in your wallet in this field here. So change all of these values exactly to how I'm showing here. So scan type should be exact value, value type should be all, and then you can copy these memory scan options, but the most important ones are going to be the scan type and value type. Make sure that you leave it on rounded default and then untick all of these other options. Now type the value of your wallet here. So in this example, it would be 4993. Of course, if you have a different amount, then type that different amount here. And once this is done, click on First Scan. What this is going to do is locate all of the times in which this number appears in the game. To make sure that we can modify the wallet specifically, what we have to do now is spend a little bit of money. So do the first scan with this amount of money and now spend a little bit. So in this example, 500 was spent and now the value updated to 4493. So now do the exact same thing but with the new value instead. When you type the new value, instead of choosing first scan, you will choose the option to do the next scan. And this will help Cheat Engine isolate the value referring to your money. So it is going to be found here. It should be the single address being displayed because it was able to find your money. The value, aka how much you have, will be displayed here. It will show the previous amount before you spent and then after you spent. So now right-click on this address referring to your money and choose the option Change Value of Selected Addresses. And now type out the new amount of money that you would like to have. You will notice that it isn't going to change right away, so what you have to do now is go inside of the game and either spend or get a little bit of money. And immediately upon doing this, the new amount of money that you displayed here will appear in game. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.